We've entered the season of Advent, the 4 weeks leading up to Christmas, and one of the most beloved feast days in Europe, St. Nicholas Day, is coming up this Sunday, December 6th. Celebrated throughout the Netherlands, Belgium, Luxembourg, Germany, Austria, and Switzerland, children put out their shoes on December 5th, the night before December 6th, and wait expectantly for St. Nicholas to fill them. Next day in the morning, they find their shoes filled with chocolate coins, nuts, and oranges. And another treat is sometimes there as well, called the Speculaas cookie. It's either Speculaas in the Netherlands, it's where it originated, Speculoos in Belgium, and Speculatius in Germany. They are a thin spiced cookie rolled out into wooden molds, often in the shape of St. Nicholas, animals, or other shapes associated with Christmas. Another way to make them is to roll out the dough and then to use a special rolling pin that's been carved with Christmas images that you roll over the dough, and it imprints it with the images, and then you use either a cookie cutter in different shapes, or you use a knife to cut them into squares, and you bake them that way. So let's get started, and I'll show you how to make this beloved Dutch Christmas cookie. To a mixer, add 270 grams of softened, unsalted butter with 200 grams of brown sugar, a pinch of salt, and 15 grams Speculoos spice mix. I'll put the recipe for the spice mix in the description box below. Mix on medium speed until well combined. Now add 400 grams of all-purpose flour, 100 grams of finely ground almond flour, and 2 tablespoons of milk. Mix just until combined. Wrap in plastic wrap and refrigerate for a couple of hours or overnight. Overnight is preferred to make the rolling out process easier. Now roll out the dough thinly. I don't have traditional Speculoos molds, so I will be using a template from a children's book I read to my kids every St. Nicholas Day called The Baker's Dozen, A St. Nicholas Tale by Aaron Shepard. I'll link the book below. I'll also just use regular Christmas cookie cutters for the remainder of the dough. Traditionally, Speculoos cookies are not frosted, but I usually frost mine to look like St. Nicholas the Bishop as a special surprise for my kids. They receive a lot of joy every year when they see cookies that look like him from him. I didn't record myself frosting them, but if you'd like a recipe and tutorial for frosting in the future, just let me know. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 13 minutes or until golden. Let cool on a rack and enjoy as is or frost to look like St. Nicholas for a special surprise for the kids. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you give the recipe a try. It's definitely a good one to have in your Christmas cookie repertoire. I'm sorry I wasn't able to get the video out before St. Nicholas Day, but this cookie is enjoyed throughout the Netherlands, Germany, and Belgium during the whole Advent and Christmas season, so it's not too late to enjoy it. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. That will help me grow my channel. As always, please let me know of any European recipes you'd like to see me make in future videos. I'll see you next time.